Guys, it's Kennedy here from St.Albert Dodge, showcasing this beautiful 2015 Jeep Cherokee Trailhawk. It is in this lovely orange color, and there's plenty of features to go over. Starting with the outside, we have the front park sense sensors, as well as the LED fog lights and headlights. Moving over to the side here, we have brand new tires. These are winter tires, and they have lots of tread left on them for all of your upcoming adventures. Your mirrors are heated with the integrated turn signals, and you do have your keyless passive entry on the doors. Moving towards the back here, we have the classic LED tail lights with your rear park sense sensors as well. You do also have front and rear recovery hooks. This vehicle does also have a lot of space in the trunk for whatever you need during your day, hockey bags, golf clubs, you name it, it'll fit in here. Join me on the inside, guys. Looking over to the door panel here, we do have memory seating, so if you are a multi-driver household, you save your memory seats here, and then next time you get in the vehicle, you just press that button and everything will be set the same. You have your power mirrors, your power windows, and your power locks. Moving up to the panel here, we have our automatic headlights, as long as that switch stays on auto. We have our Bluetooth voice commands, as well as our cluster dash controls. And we also have our cruise control with our adaptive cruise control settings. Looking over into the screen here, you can see that we have plenty of options. We have driver's heated and ventilated seating, as well as heated wheel. We have our media controls. A passenger does also have heated and ventilated seating. We have SiriusXM and SiriusXM Guardian in this unit, as well as a dual climate control. All of these features can be controlled from the buttons on the dash here. You have your volume control, your dual climate control, your front and rear defrost here. You have your select drive terrain down here, so you have your 4 low, as well as hill descent control. You have auto, sport, snow, mud, sand, and rock. Very self-explanatory. Whatever you're driving in, you turn the knob and it'll select your gears for you. Looking in here, we have our SD card reader, as well as all of our USB ports, including a 12-volt converter. We have plenty of storage in this unit as well, guys. Lots to look at, lots to go over. If you would like to see this unit in person, please give us a call or book a test drive today.